What if a golf ball, a baseball, and a basketball were each made out of solid gold? I mean, pure, solid, heavy, 24 karat gold all the way through. How much would each one be worth? The answers will surprise you, and the basketball is completely insane. Let's start with the basic rule gold is sold by the ounce. Today, gold is about 4,330 US dollars per ounce. But here's the crazy part 1 ounce of gold is only about 31.1 grams. And because it's so dense, that ounce only takes up about 1.6 cubic centimeters. That's tiny. So when we start turning whole sports balls into solid gold, the numbers explode. First, let's talk about a little golf ball. A golf ball has a diameter of about 4.27 centimeters. That gives a volume of about 38.9 cubic centimeters, which is more than I thought it would be. So now we multiply the density of gold. Gold has a density of about 19.32 grams per cubic centimeter. That gives us about 751.6 grams of gold fit into a tiny little golf ball. 751 grams divided by 31.1 grams per ounce gives us about 24.16 ounces of gold. And at $4,330 an ounce, a solid gold golf ball would be worth over $100,000. A golf ball worth more than most cars. Now let's do a baseball. I'm not talking about a softball. I'm talking about an MLB baseball, which really isn't that big. A baseball is about 7.32 centimeters across. That gives it a volume of about 205.68 cubic centimeters. So again, we multiply, and that gives us 3,973.5 grams of gold. So think about that. It's almost 10 pounds. It's like 4 kilograms for just a baseball. That's how heavy gold is. And if we convert that into money, that would be $553,000, more than that. Over $500,000 for a baseball of pure gold. Think about that. All right, here's the one we've been waiting for, a basketball. A basketball is about 24.64 centimeters across, which gives us a volume of 7,854 cubic centimeters. So when we multiply that out by the price of gold, we get $21,134,000 over that for a basketball of pure gold. That is an unbelievable amount of money for really not that much gold when you think about it. I mean, it's a lot of gold, but it's still the size of a basketball. And in another video, I talked about this, but you know how much that basketball of pure gold would weigh? About 300 pounds. That's also how dense gold is.